Yeah, get off of me.
In September 24, 2025, Secaucus, New Jersey, officers arrived to resolve a simple dispute between an Uber Eats driver and a customer, but it turns into chaos no one saw coming.
You alright?
Yo, Pops, come down here.
What happened?
She was supposed to give my Uber Eats. Look, it says delivered. You know how Uber Eats works?
Yeah.
I'll look down the hall for me. She says I need to confirm the Uber Eats on the phone. I don't need to do that. It said my order's here. Enjoy your order.
No, I have to make my report. Tried to attack me, faggot.
I did not try to attack you. You don't got to say stuff like that.
Somebody just tried to attack
Walk in the
me
lobby.
at, 4625
I have someone else coming. They'll come talk to her. Just walk. Let's stay right over there for now.
I'm at Park City, New Jersey. Some boy just tried to attack me over a meal, over a $50 meal.
How you doing, man? I'm Officer Marquez. You know my camera's on, okay?
I am at
Excuse me.
4625 Park Ave, Union City. Yes, doing my job, and somebody just tried to attack me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jalo Russ. J-A-H-L-I-L. My last name is
Excuse
Russ.
me.
R-U-S-T.
Ma'am. I'm Officer Marquez with Secaucus, please.
Okay.
What's going on?
What's up? I'm here to do a delivery.
Okay.
The internet's not working. I asked him if he had Wi-Fi. He said no. I walked back outside to connect to the Wi-Fi. I connected to the Wi-Fi. I went back inside. He met me in the hallway. He's trying to attack me.
How you trying to attack you? How?
He's trying to snatch the bag. And he's just swinging his hand like this. I don't know what he's doing.
197.
Go ahead.
Come on, give me my food. I don't know why he's doing that. And I'm walking back down to the room.
Go for 197.
I'm already walking back down. I'm walking down.
Are you with the Uber Eats driver?
That's affirmative.
Alright, for it.
Right, I need the police.
I'm the police right here. I'm the police
I
right
need the
here.
police here that I caught for this delivery.
I'm right here,
Hello?
Ma'am, I'm the cops right here. I'm the
Okay.
police.
That's fine.
Okay. So what happened to the Uber Eats delivery? Can I see the delivery, ma'am? Ma'am.
No, the problem is that you met me in the hallway.
Listen.
You're not.
Listen. Stop talking to me. Talk to me. All right. Can I see
No.
the delivery?
No.
Let me show
This
them
is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am.
This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can I see the delivery, please?
No, you cannot. This is what I'm telling you.
I cannot? I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay, I work for Uber.
Okay.
No, you cannot.
I work for Secaucus, please.
Okay.
All right. I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
That's his order, right?
Okay. No, this is not
Did
his
you pay
order.
for it? Okay.
Back up from me.
All right.
Back up from me.
All right.
You know this now. I'll beat you dead out.
Enough.
Do not play with me.
Enough.
I'll beat you dead out.
Enough.
Get out of my face.
Stop talking.
I know, but I don't have to stop talking.
Relax.
It is enough.
Relax.
And I'm not playing with you.
Relax.
I'm not playing with
trying
you.
to figure this out, okay?
This is my last time playing with you, okay?
Okay.
Any other time it's gonna be that. Here you go.
This is his order?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
Do not run up on me, you
Shut up.
fake pumping with me. I'm not doing it. I'm
down.
not doing this. Get out
Calm
my
down.
way.
Listen, you have ID on you?
Get out my way.
You have
All
ID
that
on you?
fake faggot shit.
Listen.
Get out my way.
Hey, ma'am. 197.
Yeah.
All right, be advised. Uber Eats driver gave me his delivery and took off on her bike.
After refusing to stop, the Uber Eats bicyclist flees toward a nearby TD bank. An officer tries to intercept her, but she strikes him while cycling. She then enters the bank, causing immediate confusion as police move in.
Back up from me, bitch. I'm not playing with you. Get out my face.
4-3, she just attempted to hit me.
3 feet.
What? Get out my face. I'm not a restaurant.
4-3,
I'm
TD Bank.
Right by TD. They're coming up towards that corner.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you? I am not playing with you.
You approach me, bitch.
You better drop that.
No, I'm not. You approach me.
I am not playing with you.
I don't give a f***. Oh, bye. 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 Bye.
You are now under arrest.
way.
I'm not playing with you.
Get out of my way.
You need to drop it.
No.
Drop
Get out of
it.
my way. Get
headquarters.
out of my way.
Yeah.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out. Get out. Get out of my way.
Close the door. What are you doing?
4-3, what's your exact?
Hold the fuck up. Get off of me.
4-3, leave me back.
Get your off of me. What is you doing? Get your off of me. Get off of me.
Dude, this is an easy one. Stop.
Get off of me.
With you.
I'm not playing. Get off of me.
TD Bank, right now.
No, I'm not. Get off of me.
She hit me.
Yeah, get off of me. Get him off of me.
I got one, son.
No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Get a comfort.
No, get him off of me. What? Get him off of me.
Listen, relax.
I am relaxed. Get him off of me.
Okay.
This is the officer that was on the scene. Get him off of me.
Relax.
Get him off of me.
Relax. Just relax.
Get him off of me.
Call EMS for me.
Get him off of me.
Grab the right one. Let Jesus get out of there.
No, I'm not going away. I'm not to get him off of
Grab
me.
this arm.
No, get him off of me.
This arm, right here.
No, this is the officer who needs to get him off my neck.
I got you, okay.
Nah. But get off of me. Get off of me.
21, we're going to clear for one, bro. You want to set over there?
Sorry, you got one?
Why should I get your name? I'm not gonna stab you out.
I mean, a double lock.
No, ain't no double lock. I'm not playing.
Hold on, man.
No, I'm not listening. Not.
Yo, Jesus, I got it. Relax. Make sure he's okay. He's bleeding.
No, I'm not listening.
36. We got one under, assault on the LEO. She threw the bike lock at Jesus. He's bleeding from his ear. Get EMS for him, please.
14, we have him on the way now. 40, yours too? 40, he's in that. What's the call, baby?
Yeah, we both go.
They're in the TD. They're in the TD bag.
Double locker.
We both go sue you.
Man, what's your name?
We both go sue you.
What's your name?
We both go sue you.
What is your name? Hey, please.
We both go sue you.
Please.
What's your color?
Hold on, I gotta get this one. I gotta flip this. It's fine.
We both go sue you.
You?
Yeah, we both gonna sue you, faggot. It don't matter to me. Bye.
Dude, I get in it. Here. But they're like, she's in a TD. I'm like, okay, here's the bike. I get in there. He's like, she hit me. He's like, relax. Tossed the bike lock at him, so I tackled her. And he was gushing from his ear.
Oh, she hit him with the bike lock?
Yeah. She fucking cracked him in the head, bro.
No, I'm on the staff in the fucking face.
What's your name? I'm also here with the Secaucus Police Department. What's your
My name is Jalo Russ. I'm doing an Uber delivery.
Okay, what
Somebody tried to attack me in the hallway.
What happened, though? That's what we tried.
Nothing happened for nobody to be chasing me down talking about I'm under arrest. Nothing happened.
We were trying to talk to you.
No, he talking about nothing.
Did you throw a bike lock on my partner's head? He's gushing from his...
I don't care.
All right.
It's not a game to me.
Yeah,
I don't care.
Sorry,
And I'm taking every last cent.
Listen, what was your first name?
Yeah, okay. Jalo is my first name.
I
Yep.
got you. I'm also here with the Secaucus Police
That's
Department.
fine. That's fine.
You need EMS, John?
Yes, I do.
All right, what's your complaint
I
to
do.
pain? Are you hurting somewhere?
Yeah, I'm hurting on my leg, my arms, all that. My back, my head, yeah.
So legs and arms are hurting. So you want medical attention?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do. I'm not playing.
She wants medical attention too.
I think she What she happened? She threw the bike lock at him?
She threw the bike lock. Well, she hit him with it. So I got in there. She cocked back through it, missed it. I tackled her, but Jesus is gushing from his ears. Huh? Bike lock inside. He's with Kuntz. I told Kuntz to take care of him. We got her outside.
Dahil Rust, a 23-year-old. She has been charged with multiple crimes, including aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest, flight and force, terroristic threats, receiving stolen property, criminal mischief, 2 counts of unlawful possession of a weapon, burglary, obstructing, and more.